All right, I'm going to do one more problem with you. So here we are given that angle JEG, so JEG here, is congruent to BEH, the angle they have highlighted for me. I also know that BEH is 55 degrees. So I'm going to, in a moment, put 55 degrees in there. And I know that GEH, so this entire angle here, is 90 degrees. That's a right angle. Okay, so let's start with this. So BEH is given right over here, and that is 55 degrees. So now I'm also going to identify that GEH is given as well, and that's 90 degrees. Okay, so now JEG is not given to me. There's no angle measure given to me, but I do know that it's congruent to BEH. So therefore, if it's congruent to BEH, then JEG must be also 55 degrees. Okay, so it can be calculated 55 degrees, all right? And then anytime I'm calculating something, it's gonna ask me the reason, and I can say congruent. So I knew it had to do with congruent angles because that's the information I'm using. So I'm gonna select definition of congruent angles. And then they're just gonna ask me for a little bit more information, what angles are congruent. So angle, and that comes right from here. JEG and BEH are congruent. All right, so now I want to find this entire angle. And I can do that by adding some. So the measure of JEH, the whole thing, can be calculated. And I can calculate that because I know that this angle is 90 degrees. And this guy is 55, so together they make 145 degrees. And if you watched any of the other videos, that was angle addition. That helps us do that. So then let's just define exactly what we added. So we added HEG, or GEH, same thing, and GEJ. So we added GEJ, or JEG. Put that in the wrong spot. JEG. And that formed JEH. JEH. All right, and so now I have JEH, that's 145 degrees. I'm gonna enter that, and I am done with this problem.